Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Infomrk YouTube channel. My name is Mohammad Rafiq Haskeli. My qualification Master Library Information Science. Today our topic how to manage a library. 5 main steps we will use to make a better library in planning. Library management involves such as planning, organizing, leading and controlling activities to run library. The main functions of libraries are highly integrated to run libraries smoothly towards user services. Now we are going to first of all planning. Planning is a main function of library. Planning is all about systematically making decisions about the library goals. In this process, librarians remain engaged to make effective or productive planning for the library betterment. Now we are talking on about organizing. Organizing is also main function. Organizing is all about assembling and coordinating human, financial, physical, informational and other resources needed to achieve library goals. In organizing, team works are connected regarding to units and activities. Now we are going to leading. Leadings play a very important role. Leading is about functions that involve efforts on the part of the librarian to stimulate high performance by employees. Now we are going to talking controlling. Controlling is all about monitoring various library operations and services. It is beneficial for librarian to look after up and downs in the library operations and services to control himself and make a better services for the users. Now we are on 5 main steps used to manage a library. So it is very important to understand and making an advanced program for the library. First of all, making guideline, procedures and principles for the library run smoothly. Let's begin to discuss step by step in these slides. Step number 1, defining library policy for collection development. It is first step that we define procedure, guidelines and principle for the collection development. It is necessary to first of all understand or define main library objectives. Number 1. Number 2, define library users and its information needs. Number 3, define collection development policy like print material and non-print material, subscription material, digital materials and so on. It is necessary to understand user needs and analyze all users, faculty members and researchers. On the basis we make collection development policy for selection, acquisition, bidding and so on. So this is very important to understand. Second step, as a librarian, as a professional, we will defining library authority. Library authority means a librarian professional degree holder. He work administratively and he also work professionally. So authority means a power to create or make decision about the library. So librarian in this regard create advisory committee, mean he invite a panel like faculty members, teaching staff, user sites and sit together to decide library agenda time to time and resolve the library's long-term problems and short-term problems. To run libraries smoothly, it is very important to define policies for library committee. Number 3 step, defining procedures for library organizations and administrations. In this regard, librarians remain engaged to make or small units, teams, and structure for organizing units, and administratively he himself manage through teamworks and getting things done for men and material. So librarian play very important role in the administrations for making policies. Number 4, define library space, equipments and tools for library operations and services. It is also important to decide their planning about it. So library should have a space for according to users' need and size and nature. It should be important to have a big space, and building should be accurate, and natural lights and all other means equipments should be installed in the library. So library play very important services and library operation towards the users. Number 5 steps, defining procedures for maintenance of library collection. It is also a big or broader term to maintain library collections for binding purpose, to make preserve old materials and give new life to the old materials. So it is important to make a procedure, planning and principles for the library maintenance of library collections. So thank you very much for listening me this important video, and it is for the librarians, users, students to get benefit from this video. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, so kindly comment. If you are new in this channel, kindly like and subscribe Infomrk YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.